Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to easily insert equations into your Microsoft Word documents. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Then, navigate to the Insert tab located on the ribbon at the top of the screen. This is where you'll find all the tools for inserting various elements into your document. Once you're on the Insert tab, look for the Equation button. It usually appears in the Symbols group or the Text group, depending on your Word version. Click on the Equation button to open the Equation Editor. In the Equation Editor, you'll see a drop-down menu with various pre-built equations and symbols. You can select from options like Basic Math, Fractions, Exponents, and more. Choose the type of equation you want to insert by clicking on it. After selecting a pre-built equation, you can edit it to fit your specific needs. Click inside the equation box to start editing. You can type in numbers, variables, and mathematical symbols using your keyboard. You can also use the equation tools available in the equation editor to add or modify elements. Once you've inserted and customized your equation, you can close the equation editor by clicking outside the equation box or by clicking on the small X in the corner of the equation editor window. And there you have it. You now know how to insert equations into your Microsoft Word documents. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.